Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Code for Kids. So, how are you all? How was your day? So, today we are going to create one new mini project. So, in the previous video, we create already created one mini project, but today we will create one different mini project, okay? So, you can also try this project and I hope you will really enjoy this video and you will really enjoy this project, okay? So please like, share, and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon if you want more latest update. So now let's start our project. So what I will do first, I will run this project. I will show you. Okay. See if I will click on the run. This is like our pong game. Okay. You can play the pong game here. You have to just use your mouse. Okay, you need to just use your mouse to play this game. Over here we have simple, we have to add one backdrop and we need to add some sprites. So first I will show you which backdrop you will add here, and you have to follow all these things. And once you will finish your project, you have to just give me your project link in the comment section. Okay, I will review that project and I will give you some comments. Okay, see if you will click on backdrop, so which backdrop you have to add here. So this is again according to your choice, you can add this backdrop. Okay, after that we need to add some sprite, so we have our ball sprite. Okay, so if you will search here like a C, if you want like a how you will add the sprite, how you will add your backdrop, you need to just go through our previous videos. Like you need to just click on this choose a sprite. Whatever sprite you want, you can add from here. Okay. After that, see we have our ball sprite. We need to take our line sprite, which is this one. After that, suppose if you want to create one scene, like a see, here we have our airplane, then we have lion, then we have a dog. So for beautification, you can add some sprites here. Okay. So now let's start with our ball sprite. So see, when flag is clicked, means we need to add this event. Like see, when flag is clicked, for ball, we want one point in direction. Means see ball is moving in 45-degree angle, like at this angle. If you want, you can change the angle also. So see, if we want this forever means again and again continuously. So for that, we need to add our forever. Here we have to move 15 degree, 15 steps. And if there is a age, so we have to return back. So in this stage area, we have these four ages. So if you want return back, you need to add if on age bound. See like this. See the ball is moving by 45-degree angle and it is moving continuously. After that, what will happen if when flag is clicked? So in the forever, we have to just check one condition. If your ball will touch to this line, where you will get touch line inside your sensing, we have touching mouse pointer. Instead of that, you need to select your line. So if your ball will touch to this line, you have to turn 180-degree. You have to turn your ball. See, my ball is turning as you can see. Okay. After that, we can wait for 1 second. So this script you have to write inside your ball. Okay. So this is your mini project. It means you have to create this project. And once you will complete this, you have to share your project link with me. How you will share that, you have to write in the comment section. Okay, now we will see for the line. So see, for the line, when flag is clicked, so what we want to follow our mouse pointer. See, this is my mouse pointer. Okay, so this line will follow the mouse pointer, and when flag is clicked, in the forever if you want the sound. Why? Because it is looking so interesting if you are adding the sound, right? So we need to add some sound. So here you can add any kind of sounds. Okay, according to your choice, you can add any sound. Okay, so this script we have to write for our line. Third, for airplane, no need to do anything. For this line, what we want when flag is clicked, it will just show you, let's play pong game. And next right, we don't need to write anything over here. Only we have to do the coding in the ball, in the line, and in the lioness. Okay. So in this way, we can create our small projects, and you will really love this. Okay. So please try to create this project. Even if you have any query, you can ask me in the comment section. Okay. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe our channel if you want more latest updates. So press the bell icon also. Okay. So thank you so much.